Dear students, this is the module number 119 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And in this module, we will talk about the principal elements of human resource development. So, HRD is associated with career development and organization development. So, basically, when we talk about the human resource development, or the term strategic human resource development, we are also focusing on the career development of personnel of your organization or of an organization, and also the organization development through human resource development. So career development and career management are related but slightly distinctive terms and concepts. So, career development refers to the professionalization of individuals and their personal well being and prosperity of the organization. So, when we are talking about career development, we are focusing on the well being of the employees as well. When we are talking about the career management, a process by which an individual's professional development is planned. So, development is more associated with planned activities in an organization step by step or over the period of time or during the period of an employment of an employee within an organization, we say that there is a career, there is something for you in the organization. A lot of research has suggested that employees tend to stay with the organization where they see there is a growth, there is a prospects of growth, there is a prospect of career development, there is a prospects of moving from one stage or one position to the top position, where there is a career opportunities in in the long run. They tend to stay with that organization for a longer time rather than where there are less opportunities. So OD is the process systematically unleashing human expertise to implement organizational change. This is what I said in the beginning, but there is no harm to repeat that. As I said, when we talk about human resource management, is it a different and then organization development? Or organization development, although taught separately because it is a large subject or a very large area, how to do organization development or how people can or how HRM can be involved in organization development, because it is such a large area that you see a separate books about it. A lot of books written about organization development. Similarly, organization culture. A lot of books have been written about organization culture. Similarly, organizational change. A lot of theories and books have been written about organizational change, and they are taught in the universities as a separate subjects. Does it mean that they are not under the domain of human resource management or they are separate? No. If you look at the CIPD 10 roles, management of organizational culture, management of organizational change, management of organizational structure is under the scope of human resource management or the functions of human resource management. So here you can see that OD is a process of systematically unleashing something to revealing or to getting up of your employees. And OD initiatives are planned, organization wide, and managed from the top. Definitely the initiative to invest in employees, to consider them that they are the asset of your organization, or to invest in developing the human capital, is the initiative which is usually taken by the top management rather than the lower level employees in an organization. So learning and change process are part of each other, and change is a learning process and learning is a change process. If you just pay a slight attention to this sentence, there is a lot for you, that learning and a change process are a part of each other. So change is a learning. If you want to change, you have to learn, and when you have learned, you are changed. So this is the overall model of the principal elements of HRD. This is what we are discussing, and this is what is the journal umbrella model for the human resource development, that organization development, organizational learning, career development, and lifelong learning of employees, and training and development, and individual and social learning is part of the organizational learning or human resource development that results in change and improved performance. Thank you.